How y'all doing today? My name is Kaze. Nah, I gotta bring more energy than that. How y'all doing today? My name is Kaze. Ah. Okay, so um so today is the 20th and I hope y'all doing well. Doing what it is that you do on a daily to stay fit, to stay mentally sharp, to stay well in the mind, um, to stay together. What?
What you want to do?
Wait, can you give me a second?
You got to about moving?
No. You can just put it down right there. I gotta. I'm doing a video. Alright, so, yeah, so, yeah, I hope y'all are doing well and doing whatever it is that you need to do to, get through these tough times, improving yourself, every day, getting better every day than you were the day before, and all that stuff. I say this every video, but like you gotta keep on repeating these things to keep it into existence, and to speak it into existence, to think it into existence, to materialize it along with physically doing it and putting the work in to do it. So yeah. I don't have too much to say on it. I do have my pictures though. I do have the pictures though. But yeah. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna see Spider-Man. uh, um, and I'm there's one thing I want to know. If all three actors are going to be in the movie. Because I already know that Tom is going to be in it. I wanted to know if Toby and Andrew were going to be in it. I don't think, for some reason, I'm pretty sure, I don't think Toby wants to do any more Spider-Man movies. I mean, if he did, that would be cool, because, like, this isn't a spoiler because they had this in the trailers. So, they had all of they had all of Toby's villains and all of Andrew's villains along with Tom's villains. So, you can't just have their villains and not have them. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. Tom might have had to face all the villains for all three. That's tough. That's tough. But I guess I'll find out. I find out tomorrow. So I hope it's a good movie. That's for sure. So yeah. put up the picture at the end of this. And I'm gone.